Now students, here are two more examples for you. See the example. First example, sentence number 3. Which book do you like? Now it is active at the same time. It is interrogative also because I have used the WH word which, and in the end question mark is there, and see the subject you in the middle, before it do and after it like. Okay, so an interrogative sentence. Now when this type of WH questions will be there, starting with which or who or what, that time instead of showing me 3 steps, if you show me 2 steps, these are enough. So this is an exception. Okay, so see the sentence again. Which book do you like? So first of all, let us make it assertive. Let us transform this from interrogative to assertive. So if you make it assertive, what is the format of assertive sentence? The subject will come first, you. Now you may ask me, what about the WH word? Because I told you earlier that in case of passive of WH question, the WH words will not change their position. But here I have changed the position. I have brought this which at last. Okay, because here actually which book is the object. That's why you the subject, then like the verb, then which book is the object. Okay, so this is the assertive format. Now why it is the object? See, assertive sentence, you like which book. So which book means name of the book. In place of which book, if you write the name of the book, that means this is the object. That's why which book has come in the end. Okay, but no need to worry. When you will give me the final answer, that time again this which will come in the beginning. Okay, so the assertive format is you like which book. Now let us make it passive. When you are making it passive, directly, not only passive, interrogative passive we are making. Okay, so if it is interrogative passive, that means which book will come again in the beginning. I have told you. So which book, then see the tense, like is present tense. So in passive it will be is liked. Okay, in passive it will be is liked, and then you will become by you. So which book is liked by you, and finally the question mark. So this is the final answer. Okay, now let us come to the next example. The next example is who defeated the king. Now who defeated the king? Here the sentence starts with WH word who. So this is also an exceptional one. So who defeated the king? Here who means the name of a person. You can write Ravana, you can write name of any other person. So this is the subject. So if it is the subject, defeated is the verb and the king is the object. So better let us make it passive, from active to passive. So if we are making it passive, then the king will come first. So see here also I have not used who in the beginning. I have brought who at last. Okay, so the king was defeated. Why was defeated? Because past tense defeated, it will become was defeated. The king was defeated by whom? So by whom written at last. Now come to the final answer, interrogative passive. So interrogative passive means here by whom again has come in the beginning. Okay, so by whom. Now in the passive form it was the king was defeated, but in the interrogative passive, was the king defeated? By whom was the king defeated? And finally the question mark. So I hope the explanation is clear to you. See the examples again and again. Hope it will be clear. Thank you.